Last time I was in here, they didn't have the fish in there. We gotta go fishing. I think I saw some bass. Let's go see. Oh, see, they're playing Sinatra. Oh my God. We're doomed. Do, 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 do. But hopefully the crowd noise drowns it out. But somehow I doubt it. We're here Saturday night. I'm not gonna sweat it. They did get me last night, which was kind of unusual. They got me in like the last 5 minutes. That's why the chat's not there anymore. This is another one of Grandma's favorite plants. Hydrangeas. Yeah, they're pumping it in. It is coming out of the vents there. I know that's not natural. But it does look nice. Look at the swans. Look at all the money on the swans. That's not Sinatra. Who is that? Is that Andy Williams or something? This is one of the displays that I think looks better during the day. At night it's nice too, but they put so many colored lights that it sort of fades into itself. Now you can appreciate all the colors a little more. Oh, it's Tony Bennett. Oh, the fact that you know that sucks. Yeah, Tony Bennett's gonna nab me. Do, 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 do. Very romantical. Oh, they're having dinner in there. Let's go see what they're eating. Usually they do instrumental. Oh, it's girls' night out. All right, cool, cool. It's such a large place. I don't know how many of you have actually eaten here, but Sadel's is huge. For like a breakfast brunch type spot. Casino Kid, you'll be here Thursday? Yeah, this color palette definitely looks better during the day. You can appreciate all the colors individually, but there's so many people in here, I can't really get close. I'm trying to sneak in here. Let's see the hydrangeas. Shout out Grandma. She loved them. But overall, I thought that stream last night was good. We got that group of ladies heading out after looking at Magic Mike or whatever. They were all worked up. Alright. First person to step on my new Asics. I'll send them the bill. Should we go up this way? Yeah, F it. Uh-oh, they're taking turns. Like, these were individually put up there. Is that nuts or what? There's thousands, literally thousands, and they're real. The Mighty Bull with the 5 Bananaramas. Thank you. Like, who's this? my heart should be. Do, 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 do. Ooh, a romantic stroll. Very romantical. What if those are real oranges up there? Yeah, they look fake. I mean, but they're real. Imagine that. They just one by one by one by one. It has an internal watering system inside. I'll let these people take their picture. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, they're doing wedding pictures. I knew we should have gone up the other side. Yeah, let's photobomb them up the other side. Alright, yeah, we're doing it. Oh, let's go this way. I want to see the fishes. Where's our fishes at? Oh, there's a couple on this side. They're being coy. You know why they're here? Because the water's more oxygenated. Well, there's some big ones. 3 pieces of corn on a number 2 hook. Some 20-pound test. Boom, 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 boom. It's kind of relaxing, the music. Alright, I'm going up. Alright, I'm gonna wait for these people to do their pictures. Yeah, just a big old net. That's true too. Yeah, I mean, they're basically like carp with nice paintings. How you doing? Alright, come on. Alright, we're in. Now we got the photobomb. Do, 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 do. This is kind of nice. Any carp in here? Nope. The smell is getting to me a little bit. It's a little overwhelming. Now I'm going to be in everyone's pictures. Hey, can you Photoshop that guy out of the background? All right. Now let me, I think I need to correct myself. Those are not real. Alright, I stand corrected. That's only my first mistake of the year. So I got 2 more. Those are not real. There's some kind of weird styrofoamy, plasticky material. But I'll still give them credit for the amount of work that went into that. Alright, now I'm going to be in the back of these people's pictures. Yeah, I still give them credit. Oh, I didn't break that one. That wasn't me. Now we're trapped. This is kind of cool, though. It's like a garden. Who's triggered? Oh, yeah, there's plenty of real stuff in here. I don't know where. I think I'm the most real thing in here, but I see some stuffs. We didn't go this way. Yeah, I'm not gonna demolish this. See, this puts asses in their seats. No ifs, ands, or buts. This isn't going anywhere. Yeah, it's starting to smell Lysol-y to me. I might have to get out of here momentarily. I think we're done anyway. It costs, me and my buddies looked into that. We were gonna sit there and munch for a while. Still might. But average, it would be like $150 a person if you wanted to eat there. They could do up to, I think, 6 people, they said. So honestly, that's not bad, but, you know, you gotta be of a certain disposition. Sure. Look at that, I held my breath. The little ones. Hold up, bro. They just finished up theirs. You can make the reservation online too. Everyone's doing like prom pictures and whatever over here. Yeah, I'm kind of over the smell. Woo! It's starting to smell Lysol-y to me. I need some coffee beans to huff. All the Christmas is gone. That's beat. Like, didn't everyone's grandma have a freaking porcelain chicken in their kitchen? I know mine did.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.